Hello, it's Tammy, Plays Well with Paper, here for the Whimsy Stamps Halloweeners design team. Today I'm really excited to get to share with you the exclusive Whimsy Stamps STAMPtember stamp and die set. STAMPtember is a month of celebration of the paper crafting industry and stamping in particular, and it is sponsored by Simon Says Stamp. And so, in collaboration with Simon Says Stamp, Whimsy Stamps has designed Basically Boo, has all of these boo sentiments on the stamp set, and then some additional words so that you can make your own sentiment for your card that fits the reason for sending it. And this stamp set has a coordinating die set that not only cuts out the big boo sentiments, but it also cuts out all of the little words that go with it, as well as it cuts out the little spider, the bats, the ghosts. So every image on this stamp set has a coordinating die. I think that's great, especially for those of us who really don't like fussy cutting. For today's card, I'm going to be including some new products from Whimsy Stamps, the Terrifically Tickets die and the Terrifically Tickets window die. Now these can be used together or they can be used separately. So you can see that they line up perfectly. So if you wanted to cut out a window that you would lay over a piece of paper that had this wonderful stitching, you could do that. You could also just cut out a piece with the stitching and then cut apart all of those tickets so they had the stitching and the wonderful ticket edge. Or if you'd like, you could just cut out this window die and lay it over it without the stitching, and your images could kind of peek through like this from the Bountiful Boo set. I also wanted to add the Halloween tickets stamp set. I think this is such a fun set as well, and I thought it would go great with the Bountiful Boo exclusive set because it has these little images along the side that are going to fit perfectly on these little side tickets. Like this little ghost I thought would go well with the ghost from Bountiful Boo. And then there are a couple other tickets that I thought would fit perfectly with it. And one last reminder before we get started, this STAMPtember release is a limited edition, so once they sell out, they will be gone. They will not be restocked. So if you'd like your own set, they have been linked in the description for this video. All right, let's get making. I began by using the Terrifically Tickets window die to cut a mask for the Terrifically Tickets die. Now, I used what I had on hand, which was some translucent acetate. I don't recommend this because I had to do a lot of taping off so that I could color in and blend in inks on each of the tickets. I think that the Whimsy Stamps masking paper would be a much better option. Unfortunately, I hadn't reordered any, so that is on my reorder list so that I can do this again with much more ease. But as you can see, I taped off each section and I blended it with a color on the big tickets, and then used some of the small stamps from the Basically Boo stamp set to make a patterned paper on the back of each of those tickets. So here I am with kind of a drippy boo, and I'm using spiced marmalade. The teal color is peacock feathers, and this purple is wilted violet. And I just carefully blended each ticket with a distress ink color and then went ahead and stamped something on each one of those. This one is the little spider from the Basically Boo stamp set. And now for those little end tickets, I want to go ahead and ink those up as well. So I'm using the same ink colors, the peacock feathers in the bottom and then the wilted violet in the top. But I wanted to do something different since it would be orange and orange. So I added in the twisted citron for that end ticket. I think it looks great. And now I need to color my images. So I have two different types of paper to see how well this will work. And so the paper I'm using right now to color is Distress white Heavystock, and next to it is Distress watercolor cardstock. And I'm coloring them with a water brush and Distress inks in the same colors that I was doing the blending with. This is the white Heavystock, and I actually think I like this the best. This one is the Distress watercolor cardstock. It's great too. I just think I prefer the white Heavystock. And now I'm going to use the Terrific Halloween stamps to stamp images in those vertical tickets on the end of each of the big tickets. So I'm placing one image at a time in the little ticket area, and I am lifting up my MISTI to make sure that I get it in the right place, that it's centered and it looks just right. So once I am positive that's the way I want it to look, I go ahead and stamp the image. In a departure from the other two, this last stamp has a horizontal orientation, but I love it. I think it looks really cute. Just a little bit of a difference in that bottom corner. All right, as we start the assembly, I have a card base cut out of Distress Black Heavystock. It's an amazing paper. It kind of has a suede feel to it. And then here is that Halloween tickets die. Isn't that so cute with all of the little patterns in each of the tickets? I'm going to be attaching the die cuts with these thin 3D foam squares. These are a different thickness than most normal foam squares. Look at how thin those are. They just give the slightest bit of dimension when you don't want something too terribly thick on your card. Now we're going to start assembly, and I wanted to show you I do have those thin foam squares on the back of each image, and off camera I stamped a second ghost for this sentiment, and I'm going to layer her in the middle there, and then I stamped a second jack-o'-lantern for this sentiment, and I'm going to be layering that on there. I have one ghost for over here, and he has one layer of foam squares behind him, and then the boo has two on the right side and only one on the left side where it's going to be layered over the ghost, so it will be flat going across in that middle ticket. To attach the Terrifically Tickets die, I'm going to use some Simon Says Stamp Positively craft glue. I really like this craft glue for paper crafting, and it dries quickly and securely, and so I'm going to go ahead and use that. I do have it linked below if you're interested in it. So I'm going to center that onto my card base, and now I'm going to begin adding the layers of the images from the Basically Boo stamp set. So at the bottom here, I'm going to go ahead and add that boo with the little girl ghost. And then this is when I realize all of my cute little spiders just got covered up. So all the stamping that I did in that bottom square, you really can't see. I know it's there, you know it's there, but we can't see it. So now for the second ticket, I am going to add that little ghost and then the slimy boo, and then in the top, the jack-o'-lantern boo. And I decided that I need a little sparkle, so to each of the sentiments, I added a little bit of Wink of Stella clear glitter, shimmery goodness. And there is our finished card. Little bit of shimmer on each one. You can kind of see it there. And on most of them, you can actually, on the bottom, you can see one little spider peeking through. But anyway, this was such a fun card to make with the masking and the stamping, and then the die cutting with the really fun, Basically Boo exclusive STAMPtember set from Whimsy Stamps and Simon Says Stamp. How great is that? I really love it paired with the Halloween tickets and the Terrifically Tickets dies. I hope that you enjoyed today's card featuring Basically Boo, the exclusive stamp and die set from Whimsy Stamps and Simon Says Stamps for September 2025. If you're interested in purchasing either or both of these sets, they're linked in the description for today's video. If you have any questions or comments, we'd love to hear from you in the comments section. And if you aren't already, we would love to have you follow us on all of our Whimsy channels to make sure that you don't miss out on any of the amazing releases and the incredible inspiration. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you next time.